welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name's Jack, that's Sparko, and on this upload, I got invited to come up way northern Missouri, United States. We're going to Sturgis, South Dakota. Now you're probably saying like, Jack, why the heck would you go to Sturgis? I know it's the off season, I know it's not bike season. You might be able to see it in the back, I know it can be seen right. At any rate, we're going drifting. Good, got a phone call. Hello friend, 1 second, let me finish my intro video. I already kind of gave you guys the rundown. Let's jump into a montage. I'm gonna get on the phone, talk to my boy Jordan. Let's cut to that obligatory montage footage before I wreck this shitbox on this road here. Yeah, trying to figure out placement. Also, shout out to Bell Helmets for coming through and sick BR8. All right, well, I think we're at about the halfway point to this point. We're in Sioux City, I think this is? Sioux? I don't know. One of those. I'm sure somebody will get down in the comments and somehow put a pronunciation, set a dumpster fire on me for like screwing it up. But yeah, this place is kind of cool so far. I don't know what that building is over there, but that's cool. See if we can use our pointing arrow here. Building right. This ain't dangerous to do at all, by the way, driving down the road. Welcome to Sioux Falls. Historical Pearl District on your right here. Some bridge made probably in the 1950s over here on the left. I don't know what that dome is right there, but it's a big building. On to our next destination where I think in like 90 miles, we turn left and head across South Dakota. I missed it, but like mile 1, exit 1, we're in South Dakota. I kind of thought like it was gonna, we were not gonna be here for a while, but I guess we're here. Looks like Iowa. Oh, gotta go. We just had our first intervene with like the South Dakota Safety Patrol, Highway Patrol. Didn't even think about like turning on my GoPro and being like, oh, hey, this is cool. Or set it like down here and do one of these. That was like the highlight piece that would have been like perfect. We didn't do it. So this is all the content you're gonna get on it. I did get a safety check. He didn't even write me a warning, but it was like, I just bought my trailer 2 weeks ago, and that's what he pulled me over for, was no plates on the trailer. So, I mean, it's a very valid reason, and there's a car on it. It's like, yo, this thing could be stolen, da-da-da. He was doing his job. No harm, no foul. But we gotta get fuel, and I think this may be our, like, second to last fuel up. I don't know. Maybe not. I was told that we needed to get fuel again somewhere before the Badlands. So, here's our interchange, the 90. I got told that once I hit this highway, it's like 200 mile jumps between fuel stops. So, thankfully we have a ridiculously large tank in this thing, all whopping 36 gallons of it, and we're gonna use all of it. We're gonna test its limits probably a couple times. Not a couple times, that's a giant lie. But time for that obligatory gas station photo. They got like gas pumps over here made for big shit. I like it. I like it. I'm not big shit. I'm a mildly large turd here. Yo, this is pretty convenient. Shout out to Flying J for this one. I love you guys. Honestly, between Flying J's and Love's, probably the best 2 gas stations to stop at. It depends on what you need.
2 hours later.
I had to turn the camera on. We're someplace down Highway 90 in South Dakota, on our way to Rapid City area, and I just seen a road sign that said speed limit 80. Like, that is mind-blowing. I've never seen the speed limit set that high. I mean, sadly, if I do it, I'm gonna just guzzle gas, but you know, the fact I can, yeah, I mean, I might as well do the minimum, right? I might as well do the speed limit. Like, it's one of those like, dude, there's nothing out here for you to hit. Send it. Like, I don't know, but it's kind of funny. I found it funny. At any rate, this is my like 7:37 Missouri time check-in. You guys can't see me. Maybe I can pop a picture of an overlay of me like during the day or something right here. But we are here. We are here. Well, we're extremely close. Oh, hey, There's a person in the middle of the road. I was not expecting you to be in the middle of the road. I was definitely vlogging and driving.
Nice.
Is anybody in there? So obviously we made it. Good morning, we're back. All right guys, so it's Saturday morning. We got like a 10-15 minute drive. We've already mounted tires, the bed trailer full of them back there. Haven't even had time to wash my hands. We got a Red Bull. Shout out to Red Bull. Gives me wings for today. Put it up my nose first. But Chase is there. James will meet us later on this afternoon. Good day. It's just a good day. We're gonna go do hood rat shit with our friends. That's what it's all about. So Sturgis is, some of you guys might know Sturgis as the town that all the motorcyclists come from all over the country and take over. Well, we're drifting in the middle of it. So, it's pretty stoked. Like, we're gonna do, it's literally, we're gonna do hood rat shit in a town where people, millions come to do hood rat shit a year, every year. Let's clean the lens and then we'll give you the 411 here. So, if you rewind to, oh, actually it just went up today and I realized I haven't made a thumbnail for it. My bad. Anyway, sorry about that one. We rewind to Shenandoah like 2 weeks ago. Remember we had a little bit of a coolant issue, heater core took a pop. We fixed that problem. I got these little adapters. You guys, I can probably do the pinch to zoom thing here. Zip, hold on. I got this. Let's use our pointer. We're in class. I gotta get the pointer stick up. That guy right there, there's another one right down underneath there. Those are the heater core lines. They run from like back, they run from back there to over there. Anyway, okay, now that we're at. Coolant line broke. I kept losing coolant, fighting that problem. Got a little cindy, cause I got peer pressured with the tires. We'll cut a video.
Yeah, that tire didn't pop.
That tire did not pop.
Here we go. So, them assholes in the grandstands basically, you know, did their thing. Anyway, fast forward to present day. She, as you can tell, has a lot of aerosolation of fluid in and around all the back part of the car. Probably not the best of things. Underneath the car, right underneath there, actually in the exhaust, I had a bunch of what looked to be water coming out of the exhaust. At first I thought it was fuel, not fuel. Pulled the dipstick and realized that we had some contamination. You can kind of see it. The oil's a little creamy. It's not like awful, but it is creamy. Not like 2 spoons in a 24-ounce cup of chocolate milk, but like maybe a teaspoon sprinkle in a glass of water. I don't freaking know. It blew all of its shit out. So we made one, I went out, made one pass with it, and it ended up, yeah, made this giant mess. I thought the car was on fire. I probably should have a GoPro on today with me like 24/7 running because something is bound to happen. It looks like it's just got blown head gasket. If it's got a blown head gasket, it is what it is. Doesn't though. It's possible that one of the CHR cartridges could have cracked. I don't know. I do know that the line to like hot lap is pretty short. This track's tight and technical, and yeah, as long as I keep it kind of cool, it'll be fine. So we got the water sprayer in the car. We can spray the engine off with some water. We can do the things to kind of keep it cool. So we're gonna do our best, but before we can do anything, I gotta get the fluids trained. I mean, the car has great compression. It's got 5 out of 6 cylinders plus boost. That means we got 7.5. We're good. Shit, you can run an LS on 4. Ask me how I know. All right, let's get this done. Oh, yeah. That's yummy, chunky. Here we go. Test 1, no coolant. We got a little bit of lifter noise. I'm gonna chalk that up to there was definitely some coolant in the oil and it probably didn't like each other. And I ran the shit out of it while it had that. So yeah, if I screwed anything up in the lifters, it's because I just got send happy. Macro of it, I know I can run the car for at least 5 to 10 minutes almost without coolant. POV cam CHASEN in the house. What?
I said if I fuck up, just don't record it.
Oh no, if he fucks up, we're definitely gonna put it in. It looks like she is okay. She's got a little ticky tick tick sound. Fine, she made plenty of power. I mean, what do you think? Smarko.
What are you doing?
Where are you going? Hurry up, you're gonna get hit. Come on. I don't think it's broke all the way. I think it's just partially broke. It's like...
Fuck it, run it.
All right, let's go do it again. All right, my little friend, if you died today, I am sorry and it is his fault.
Shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic groove up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take a new song. And you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough right there. The door still works.
You know what? We'll build you some side skirts, bud.
Bro, thank you. Thank you. Oh, whatever. Get it here.
Yeah. My shit's a little warm.
We got to go on a parts collection run.
I didn't, the last section did I foot brake.
It's just laying there too.
Yeah, it's just
Side skirt, just, you know.
chilling.
Oh, you're talking about this one. I thought
Yeah,
you were the main one.
it's more parallel now though. Like it moved.
Yeah,
it rotated.
It's the jam
It was
wall.
the jam wall.
Well, yeah, well, it's the jelly wall because everyone gets jammed in it.
Yep. I bet you this is what took all that abuse. That's
Oh yeah, that took a good amount of
Fuck
brunt.
yeah, this is not bad. This is heavy for a piece of plastic.
Yeah, this is a
German.
bumper.
It's not fucking Japanese,
This is
alright?
a
This is
fucking-
quality.
this is
There's
a
a reason you
bumper.
paid
Those will go back on the
$90,000
car.
for those.
Yeah. That's a bumper.
These are actually 4 2-door blades.
Okay.
Nice. Can just slide that thing back together. All right, well, we found our shit. Let's get back. All right, let's go do some more driving.
All right, Jack, tell us why you're not running for one last
All right,
hurrah.
well, I am not running for one last time solely for the reason of the battery's dead. There's nothing I can do about it. We're not running the car long enough with no coolant in it. That's how we've had to play this weekend with these fine gentlemen. So, yeah, that's where we're at. It was a great time though. I'm happy that both these fine young gentlemen
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
did come down to South. I've got 2 cameras. This is so weird. I've never had this. All right. South Dakota was awesome. The US trip. Kellen, huge shout out to Kellen for giving me tires. It was an awesome trade. Throttle body for tires. We definitely burned them. James burned some.
I did. They weren't mine, but I don't care.
Chris Cudmore. He's
Chris
the
Cudmore,
event
huge shout out to-
coordinator.
yeah, huge shout out to you, Chris Cudmore, for putting on this event. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Put them all 3 together and it'll just be like,
Just
You gotta boop the flip. Boop.
boop the flip.
all right. This might be the end. Like, I've been here for 2 days. This might be the end of the weekend, but it's not the end of this trip. We've got more in store still. All right, so we're going to Deadwood. It's an old mining town. It's basically a mini Vegas. This guy works there. This guy used to work there.
I used to work there.
You used to work there.
That's how we met.
Ah, oh, that hanky-panky life.
Yeah, well, you know, there's a closet open at work. Might as well occupy it.
Wow, all right. On that note, next time you see us, we'll probably be in Deadwood. Yeah?
Definitely be in Deadwood.
With a few drinks in us by this point, I'm sure. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
At least one, guaranteed.
Promise.
Oh, yes. We're gambling in Deadwood here.